Bafoli. Bafoli, go down. The camera cannot see you. Make like this. Go down. No, like this, yeah. Me and Bafoli are making tacos today. Beef tacos. Right, Bafoli? Okay. You are ready? Okay. So put the little bit of oil like this. Just a small. Only like this, yeah. Put it like this, yes. So now you wait. So wait. Put your onion. Put it here. Yes. Okay. Like this. Everything is out, Bafoli. I need to make sure everything is out. Okay, now stay. Good. Now put the meat. Careful. Oh, go. Ah, yeah. Then we mash it. Mash it like this. Like this.
But not messy.
Huh? Like this. Mash it like this.
Mommy, I'm not real wacky. It's disgusting.
Okay. Now we add salt.
Add
Salt. This one, the spice here. Add a bit. Make like this.
Mommy, put the leaves.
Huh?
Yeah.
And this one. Add a bit.
Put the leaves, Mommy.
No, it's okay. And this.
No.
This. So let me help you.
Oh,
Like this.
no.
Wait, I'm helping you.
I'm not
No pot?
No.
Okay. But make it then. Need to make it.